Hello everyone, welcome back to English communication class with me, teacher. Captain, teacher, Captain, teacher, Captain. Okay, so how are you today? How are you today? I am great. I am great. Thank you. Thank you. And teacher hope that you guys are very good. Okay, so this is time for practicing our English skill. Okay, so the rule in our class, just only one rule. The rule is when teacher say, "Are you ready?" You guys say, oh yes," and you guys can shake your hand like this. Oh yes. Okay, all right, very good. So, are you ready? Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay. So if you guys ready, let's start for our lesson today. Okay. So we start for the small talk first. We will start from the small talk first. We will review the small talk. Okay. What what's your nickname? What's your nickname? And you guys say, my nickname is blah blah blah. For example, my nickname is Captain. Okay. My nickname is Captain. Okay. Very good. Alright, so let's see for our topic for today. So today we are going to learn about conversation. We're learning conversation. Everybody say learning conversation. Learning conversation. Very good. Learning conversation. So are you ready? So if you're ready, you say, oh yes, oh yes. Okay, let's start for our lesson. Okay, we start for the first conversation today. Who is your English teacher? Who is your English teacher? And then the answer, okay, I'm asked, okay, who is your English teacher? Everybody say together, one, two, three. Okay. Very good. All right. Who is your English teacher? And then let's see the answer. My English teacher is teacher Captain. My English teacher is teacher Captain. Okay, so everybody say together. My English teacher is teacher Captain. All right. Very good. Okay, and then we move to next conversation. Ready? Oh yes, okay. Next conversation. Who is your school director? Who is your school director? Okay. Now it's your turn to repeat. One, two, three. Very good. One more time. Well done. Who is your school director? And let's see the answer. My school director is Sister Jean. My school director is Sister Jean. Okay, let's say this together. One, two, three. My school director is Sister Jean. One more time. Very good. My school director is Sister Jean. Okay, and then we move to next slide. Okay. Next conversation. How many students are there in your school? How many students are there in your school? So everybody, let's say together. One, two, three. Very good. Louder, please. How many students are there in your school? Okay. And then Let's see the answer. Let's see the answer. There are about 1,200 students in my school. There are about 1,200 students in my school. Let's say the answer together. 1, 2, 3. Very, very good. One more time. Okay, very, very good. There are about 1,200 students in my school. Okay, perfect. And then let's see for next conversation. Where do you go to school? Where do you go to school? Okay, everybody say it together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And one more time. Well done. Well done. Where do you go to school? Alright, let's see the answer. I go to Mana Siksa School. I go to Mana Siksa School. Everybody say this together. I go to Mana Siksa School. Very, very good. Okay. And then we move to next conversation. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Okay. And everybody say together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And one more time. Okay, what is your favorite subject? And let's see the answer. My favorite subject is science. My favorite subject is science. Okay, everybody say this together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And one more time. Very, very good. My favorite subject is science. Okay, and then we move to next conversation. When do you study English on Monday? When do you study English on Monday? Everybody say 1, 2, 3. When do you study English on Monday? Okay, very good. When do you study English on Monday? And let's see the answer. I study English on first period. I study English on first period. Okay, let's say this together. 1, 2, 3. I study English on first period. One more time. Okay, I study English on first period. Very, very good. And then we move to next conversation for today. Where do you study English? Where do you study English? Okay. So everybody say this together. 1, 2, 3. Where do you study English? Louder, please. Very, very good. And let's see the answer. I study English in a classroom. I study English in a classroom. Okay, now it's your turn. 1, 2, 3. Very, very good. And one more time. Well done, well done. Very, very good. I study English in a classroom. Okay. And then let's move to next conversation. Can you pass me a pencil? Can you pass me a pencil? Can you pass me a pencil? Okay. So everybody say this together. 1, 2, 3. Can you pass me a pencil? Can you pass me a pencil? Okay. Very good. Can you pass me a pencil? Okay. And then let's see the answer. Let's see the answer. Sure, here is it. Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is. Okay, so everybody said together. 1, 2, 3. Sure. One more time. And last time. Okay, sure, here it is. Okay. And then, ready to next slide? Ready? Ready? Okay. Are you ready? Oh yes, oh yes. Okay. Next slide. Next slide say, have you finished this page yet? Have you finished this page yet? Okay. Everybody say 1, 2, 3. Have you finished this? Okay, very, very good. And then let's see the answer. Yes, I have finished. Yes, I have finished. Yes, I have finished. Okay, so everybody say together. 1, 2, 3. Louder, please. Very, very good. Yes, I have finished. Okay, and then we move to next. So this is time to review what we have learned today. Okay, everybody ready? Oh yes, oh yes. So if you guys ready, can you clap your hand 2 times? 1 time, 3 times. Very good, very, very good. So now you guys ready because you clap your hand and you guys ready. Okay. Alright, so if you guys ready, let's review what we have learned today. So today we learn about conversation. We learn about conversation. Very, very good. And then for the quiz, for the first question today is who, okay, like this. Teacher will ask you and then you have to answer. You guys have to answer teacher, okay? All right. So, first conversation, who is your English teacher? Who is your English teacher? And you guys say, my English teacher is teacher Captain. My English teacher is teacher Captain. I am Captain. I am your English teacher. Okay. And then let's see next. Who is your school director? Who is your school director? And then you guys say, My school director is Sister Jean. My school director is Sister Jean. Very good. Okay, and then teacher move to next slide. How many students are there in your school? How many students are there in your school? And you guys say there are about one. You guys say there are about 1,200 students in my school. There are about 1,200 students in my school. Okay, very good. And then we move to next question. Where do you go to school? Where do you go to school? Okay, and you say I go to Mana Siksa School. I go to Mana Siksa School. Okay, very good. I go to Mana Siksa School. And then, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? And you guys say, my favorite subject is science. My favorite subject is science. Very good. Okay, and then we move to next conversation. When do you study English on Monday? When do you study English on Monday? And you guys answer me. I study English on first period. I study English on first period. Very good. I study English on first period. Okay. And then teacher asks you, where do you study English? Where do you study English? And you guys answer, I study English in a classroom. I study English in a classroom. Very good. I study English in a classroom. Alright, and then we move to next question. Can you pass me a pencil? Can you pass me a pencil? Okay, and then you guys answer teacher. Sure, here is it. Sure, here is. Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is. Okay, and next conversation. Have you finished this part yet? Have you finished this part yet? Have you finished this part yet? Alright, and then you guys can answer to teacher. Yes, I have finished. Yes, I have finished. Very good. Yes, I have finished. And then, alright, so now it's time for do the exercise. It's time to practice your English skills. So all of this is the thing that we learned today in the exercise, okay? Alright, so this is time for do the exercise. Okay, let's see what the exercise said. So you guys have to open your book page number 40. Okay, page number 40. Alright, okay, this page. You can see from this or you can see from this. Alright. The exercise say that rearrange the word to make the correct sentences. Rearrange the word to make the correct sentences. For example, number one, the exercise say you and question mark and is who, director and school. And then you guys have to rearrange. For example, who is your director school? Or no, who is your school director? Okay, who is your school director? And then you guys have to write here, who is your school director? Okay, and then number two, do, go and question mark and where, school, you too. And then you guys have to rearrange all of this. Where do you go to school? Okay, where do you go to school? All right, okay. And number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8 you can do by yourself. So you can do all of this by yourself by what you have learned today. Okay? Alright. Okay, that's it for today. And it's time's up for today. Thank you very much for give me a big concentrate and see you next time. And today, goodbye.